Sifu Kairesh here. Today I'm going to show you 4 important steps. If you follow these steps, you can be very fluent in Mandarin. Number 1, you can if I were you, I just have a pen and a paper and just write down all this information. Number 1, master typing Chinese. Yes, typing. If you're new towards learning Mandarin, you want to learn Mandarin for the first time, you have no single clue of how to start. Number 1, master typing Chinese. That means get your phone, download Chinese keyboard and start typing in Chinese. Why? Typing is the easiest, and then number 1, you are already using your phone every day. You're using your phone every day. You're just using English and maybe Malay to type your own native language. Why not add on Chinese keyboard and start typing Chinese? And then find a Chinese friends, practice typing Chinese. You tell, hey bro, I'm speaking, I want to learn Mandarin now, I'll type Chinese to you every day, okay? You just reply to me. Whatever they reply, don't understand, never mind, Google Translate. Just use this, okay? So master typing Chinese, okay? If you want that, that's number 1. Number 2, master reading Mandarin, okay? If you want to learn how to speak Mandarin, this is Sifu, I want to learn how to speak Mandarin. Look, it's not that you want to learn how to speak Mandarin. 99% of the time I ask everybody that wants to learn how to speak Mandarin, they're all telling me, Sifu, my friends are talking, I don't understand. That means the problem is you don't want to speak Mandarin. It's just that you don't understand what they are talking. 2 different things. So that is the truth. Truth to be told, okay? So the truth is you want to understand what you're talking. It's not that you want to learn how to speak Mandarin. So number 1, learn how to type. It is the easiest because typing Chinese yields very high respect, because Chinese people know that typing Chinese characters, learning Chinese characters is very hard. It's not easy, it's very hard. Okay, it starts from writing. Writing is all work, a lot of practice. Don't have to go through that. Typing is easy. Learn that Chinese character, practice on your own, just write 4 or 5 times, you're good to go. And then send it to a Chinese friend. You're like, hey bro, you can write Chinese. Ooh, power. Oh, come, let's type Chinese. Chinese will love you when you can type Chinese. Number 2, learn how to read Mandarin. When you know how to read Mandarin in front of a Chinese, I'm telling you, they will see you as God. They'll be like, wow, you tahu baca Cina, you power lah you, okay? Because learning how to read Mandarin is hard. Even Chinese people know it's hard, and you are learning it. Just imagine sitting in a cafe, holding a Chinese book, reading, or holding a Chinese newspaper. Chinese people see you an Indian or a Malay, okay, buka surat khabar Cina, okay, and then you reading Mandarin, or even you don't understand, you maybe understand 1 or 2 words. They will come and ask you, hey bro, you know how to read? Wow, not bad, you're Chinese, you know how to read. I you don't know how to read. Okay, just pretend lah. Okay. So read. It yields a very different respect when you type and read. How do I know? I'm an Indian, I can speak Mandarin. But when I type Chinese, it gives a very different respect. It gives you a different respect when you can read Chinese. Do you know how many Chinese don't know how to type Chinese? Do you know how there are a lot of Chinese who don't know how to type Chinese? Don't know how to read Chinese? And you want to learn how to type and read Chinese? And you know how great that is? Do you know how it feels or not when you type Chinese to a Chinese that don't know how to type Chinese? Wow, one slap on their face. Oh, China, type China. Oh, it's even worse. But okay, that's a different thing. So learn how to read and type Chinese. Read and type. Follow these 2. Number 3, listen and understand. Okay, listen what they are talking. You don't understand also, never mind. Just actively listen and have a journal and just write down what are you listening. Then ask a friend or join a class and tell, hey Sifu, or if you join my class, you can ask me. Okay, you join other class, you can tell, hey teacher, hey, they talk like this, so what is the meaning? Ask. Keep doing that every day. Every day. Do that for 2-3 months. Your listenings will you will be master of listening, and then your typing and reading will be there. When you do all these 3 things, typing, reading, listen and understanding, and the 4th one, speaking. Speaking is a skill where you don't have to practice. Don't have to? Yes, don't have to practice. It should come out from your mouth automatically. Pay attention to this. If you find a class that is doing role play, dialogue role play, okay, mari saya cakap sama you, you cakap sama saya, please stop that class. That's not how it works. Okay? Because if you practice dialogues and scripts in a class, and you memorize the scripts, you go out and talk Chinese, okay, and then you use this dialogue, and then the Chinese people reply something else, you sangkut, okay. Okay, that's not how it works. Don't memorize dialogues. Memorize systems and structure. Memorize grammar. Memorize sentence structure. That's what you memorize, so that you know how to use the language. Not memorize scripts. That's not how you learn the language. Okay, so number 1, type Chinese. Number 2, read Chinese. Number 3, listen and understand. Dengar dan faham apa mereka cakap. Pay attention. Number 4 is speaking. Speaking comes when you master typing, reading, listening and understanding. These 4, you already fase. Your mouth will move, suddenly you will move already. Now people talking like your mouth will suddenly, you will start talking, you know. You don't need to even consciously speak. You will start talking already. Then you will be like, hey, I'm talking. Hey, I'm talking Chinese. You see? It automatic will come out. How do I know? Did I create this formula out of thin air? No, I observe how a baby learn. When a newborn baby, how long does it take for it to tell appa, amma? At least 1 year. In that 1 year, what the baby does? Listen and understand. Of course, not typing and reading lah. Listen and understand. When the understanding is complete, listening is complete, they start speaking. When does it speak? We don't know, based on the baby. Their own learning, when the learning is complete, they start speaking. Same thing goes to you. That's why you don't give yourself 6 months to learn Mandarin. It doesn't work that way. You take 1 year to learn Mandarin. It doesn't work that way. Take your time. If you need 5 years, 5 years. For me, do not give yourself a timeline to master Mandarin. Like English, do you say, okay, I want to learn English for 1 year, after that I'll stop learning English? It's a bit stupid, right? Or saya nak belajar bahasa Melayu, selepas 3 tahun, saya tak nak belajar bahasa Melayu. How does it work that way? It's a lifelong journey. As long as you're in Malaysia, you want to learn Malay all the way. I'm still learning. English, we are still learning. Even though after 20 years, 30 years, we are still learning. Let Mandarin be a journey of learning. If you see Mandarin is a journey of learning, it doesn't matter. You can even take 10 years to learn Mandarin because it's a journey of learning. If you understand this, you start seeing learning language as a very beautiful journey. And I really like this journey. Alright? So, take important notes from this video. If you like this video, like, comment, share this video to people who feel it's important. I mean, if you find it important, you can share this video. For any Chinese learners who want to learn Mandarin, my name is Sifu Kairesh and I'm Malaysia's top Mandarin coach. 谢谢